Hi everyone, welcome to day 1 of learning Python with Tech Machine. Part 1. Introduction to Python. Let's go. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, server-side, software development, mathematics, system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Why Python? Python works on different platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than other languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, or a functional way. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command, as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation, using white space, to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. How to install Python? Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line: cmd.x. To check if you have Python installed on a Linux or Mac, then on Linux open the command line or on Mac open the terminal and type. If you find that you do not have Python installed on your computer, then you can download it for free from the following website: https://www.python.org/.